Hey everybody, sorry about the wind. Look, this is new. Since yesterday they put the docks in the middle. Starting to clean the place up. The water's still about the same, I think. We have a breach on the end of the boardwalk, the pier, the jetty. Some locals call it the end of the world, the fin de monde, because it goes right out off into nowhere, out into nowhere. The water level is much higher today, much higher. There's the 212, we're on flood watch. It's much higher today. It wasn't going over the pier yesterday, now it's just starting to touch the top of it. So imagine how much water that is. It must be a dozen liters. Check it out, the water's higher. It didn't look like it at first, but yesterday we were walking on the pier, everyone was, and now it's touching it. A lot of traffic on both bridges today. Hey Pat, I'm gonna go for a quick swim. Raging torrent. Another thing is it's also very cold, about 5 degrees. Both the Ile de Tort and Gallipote Bridge are backed up, and you can see the truck is here. They've got the pumps out already. There you go, there's actual water from Lac St. Louis on the soil of Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue. You see? There you go, Stefan in Slovakia. The pumps putting the drain water back into Lac St. Louis so it doesn't come up onto the street. That's where we were yesterday. It's a boathouse. Pat, Sky of the Universe, was here yesterday. Sky of the Universe, you can see his thing right there. Just go there on YouTube and look up Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue live walking something or other. It's correct there. And then you could check the levels. And you'll see that level right here on his video at that minute mark. And you can compare that pole there.